at Yeroskipou Beach. Phaethon Beach Hotel at the edge. The Riccos Beach Bar. Riccos Beach, used to be named before Riccos Beach many years ago. Now it's growing much bigger and bigger. Belongs to myself of Yeroskipou, right next to Paphos, basically. There's a seayou beach bar. Further down is Cabana Beach Bar, and down there's a Paphos Airport at the edge there, down there. Planes flying above us all the time here. There's a ship there, takes tourists usually for a swim. And probably it's a bottom boat. I can see the bottom of the sea. I think this one probably more like most of them, they live from Paphos Harbor, by the Paphos Castle. Crystal clear waters. It's lovely weather, around 35 degrees. Plenty of sun. No clouds on the sky, perfectly clear.